I am working on a Rega preamp. This Cursor 3 used to have 8,000 microfarad of capacitance with the little dinky 1 amp rectifier dial. I am going to put another 132,000 microfarads into it and replace the rectifier dial into a 15 amp bridge. But you know, something really interesting. That two little exposed wire, they are for connecting the power indicator, the red LED on the light switch, and there is no insulation. Okay, well, it's low voltage, but it's still kind of unsettling. I'm gonna put a layer of clear heat shrink to cover it before I give it back to the customer.